Hello guys, in this video we will see how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu Linux operating system. Open terminal, first verify the status of the PostgreSQL service. Sudo Systemctl status PostgreSQL. Use the tab and hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. See, PostgreSQL service is active and enabled. Q to quit, let us stop it. Sudo Systemctl stop PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. Sudo Systemctl status PostgreSQL. See, PostgreSQL service is not started. Also try to connect to PostgreSQL server. Sudo su-postgres PSQL. See, we are unable to connect. Now start the PostgreSQL service. Sudo Systemctl start PostgreSQL. Hit enter. Now verify the status. See, PostgreSQL service is running. If you want to restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu machine, use the sudo Systemctl restart PostgreSQL. Hit enter. It is done. See, PostgreSQL service restarted 1 second ago. We can also use the command service command to do the same. Sudo service PostgreSQL status. See, we got the same output. We can use the same like stop or start or restart. Okay. See, let us do that. Now verify status. Hit enter. See here we have restarted 2 seconds ago. Q to quit, Control. So in this video we have seen how to stop, start and restart PostgreSQL service on Ubuntu Linux operating systems. For more PostgreSQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.